I have in my collection an original Westclox Moonbeam alarm clock. It was manufactured in the U.S. between 1947 and 1958. It's fully functional, keeps good time. It's no wear and tear on it except for a little bit on the brass plating on the bottom. I received this from one of my neighbors. It's an older lady. When she passed away, she gave it to me because she knew I had a clock collection. It has you set the alarm by turning this dial on the back and pull the little knob out to set your alarm. And when it goes off, it gives a low buzz and light flashes on it. This clock was made for people that didn't like the alarm bells that alarm clocks had then. So Westclox came out with this type of alarm clock. But it's fully functional. Hasn't just been kept the dust off it. You can see a little bit of finger marks on the top from her. But I've just kept the dust off it and kept it fully functional. Here's the light flash, and as that flashes, the clock does a low volume buzz. And actually, when that's in a room, it lights up that flash. Has the original cord on it, come out of the factory. It works, it keeps perfect time. It's fully functional. It's a good little piece of history right here. When people ask me what this clock is, I take it out and I demonstrate it for them to show them that it is functional, it does work, and show them what history was like in the days. Thank you for watching.